Welcome to Materials and Methods of Building Construction class. I am Professor Jagdish Chandra here. Today's topic is kinetic architecture. Let us begin kinetic architecture with some introduction. Kinetic architecture. Kinetic architecture allows parts of building to operate independently without altering the structure integrity. The concept of ancient open-hole bridges you may remember. Today building exterior schemes that adjust to natural elements. So this is important. Kinetic facade. So something to do with the elevation. Elements of facade that are dynamic. So it may be to reduce solar gain or to allow welcome the sunlight and to allow fresh air. So some of these things can be kept in mind and it helps to alter the interior environment. There is another term called dynamic architecture. So this dynamic architecture is something like movement of a building. So the building form, shape are constantly changing, making it fluid. So this is one important aspect in kinetic architecture and the building's ability to adapt change. If there is more sunlight, if it is rainy, if it is cloudy, if the wind is dusty, so all these things can be taken care, and also it can also be for aesthetic purpose also, so that the building changes frequently, so that now earlier we used to have a static facade or elevation, but now it is completely changed, so it is called kinesthetic experience. If a building is adapted to changes of climatic conditions, we call it intelligent buildings. Similarly, if any elevation or facade is adaptable like that, then we call it adaptive facade. Flexibility, so ability of a building to continuously adapt its space and even its structure evolving needs. So automatically it changes, so it is very flexible. Earlier, when we studied architecture, we can call it as static architecture. So that means in what you study in history and all, so all the building is static and nothing will change. Whatever you do once, it remains permanently. So this is similarly, architecture was primarily static, only changing as the environment would change and affect the material of the facade. So that means the weather conditions, all those things may change the facade, but it is not anything kinetic like. So it is static only. Today it is, we call kinetic architecture. As the technology has progressed, the facades have transformed technology. So that means it's a combination of architecture and technology. Earlier it was architecture, art and all. Now art also is there, but technology has become more dominating. So often these designs take the form of kinetic facades that change dynamically, transforming buildings from static monoliths to ever-moving surfaces. Kinetic architecture examples. Coming to examples of kinetic architecture, Al Bahar Towers in Abu Dhabi, designed by Adidas architects. Here umbrella-like panels open and close in response to the sun's movement, protecting the building from heat and glare, decreasing the need for air conditioning and making the building more sustainable. So this is the most important factor. At the same time, it is very pleasing aesthetically also. You can go through the details. Another example for kinetic architecture is Kaifer Technic showroom. So this is a very interesting building. Large metal tiles that morph throughout the day to create optimal shading conditions. They control weather conditions from within the building, adapting the facade to match with their preferences exactly. We can go through this. It is very interesting in the video. This interesting example features screen-like inflatable ETFE cushions that open in the winter to gather solar energy and close during summer to provide shade. So like that it is very interesting. So the facade also changes according to the climate conditions. This is another interesting example for kinetic architecture. Normally whenever we think of this kinetic architecture, it is always we think of environmental factors, but here in this case aluminum shingles that repelled in response to wind currents, providing shade and rain protection in addition to aesthetics effect. So like that it looks very interesting as it changes. This building, UN Studios Galleria, is another unique example for kinetic architecture. Here more consideration is given for aesthetics, computer generated animations and illuminations technology over the mechanical facades. Gentle waves of color light illuminating the surface makes the entire building appear to be moving. So like that some interesting elements have been considered. So these are all the for future architects. This is a very good example. This house in Iran is an interesting example for kinetic architecture. Here the house opens up to offer light ventilation in large terraces in the summer time, and in winter the house closes up against the harsh cold climate of Tehran, offering minimal openings to retain the heat. So this also you can see in the video. So this is a concept-based design, a very good example for kinetic architecture, called One Motion Pavilion at Seoul, South Korea. The facade system consists of mainly glass fiber reinforced polymers which allow it to move in various patterns mimicking the biological movement of living organisms. So like that it is completely kinetic and dynamic. The sliding house in England is another unique example for kinetic architecture. Here there is a house designed and then there is a rail here, and this is another roof which slides over this rails, and it completely occupies this building so that it gives for different climates, so there will be different effects. So the 20-ton mobile roof moves linearly to the building to create various combinations of views, open air living conditions and effects as per the wishes of the owner. The movement of this insulated steel structure on the tracks around the building is facilitated by hidden electric motors on the wheels. So this also you can see, go through the video. In India, the kinetic architecture is still in the primitive stages. So this is one example in Ahmedabad, house with walls designed by Matharo architects. So here the concrete bubbles provide the counterweight to large pivoting panels in this concrete house for an aquarium store owner. The windows swing open and allow air and light to flow through the living space. Kinetic architecture was there even in the initial stages. For example, if you take any house, when it rains and when there is splashing, immediately we will run and close the window. And when there is harsh sun, immediately we may close the window or slide the curtains. So these are all kinetic only, but only thing they are all manual. But now it is completely mechanical and then technology oriented. Kinetic facades are obviously recent phenomena, and the forms they take already differ greatly, ranging from triangular modules to jade sunshades to aluminum shingles to projected animations. Each design serves unique purpose and thus takes a unique shape. As architects are increasingly realizing kinetic facades can be a powerful tool to approach the age-old issues of architecture, beauty, sustainability, comfort in a bold, new and technologically driven way. So this is kinetic architecture. Here is a link for video 1. This kinetic architecture and art video will showcase some of the examples of kinetic design in art and architecture. Some of the things what I covered in the beginning They are also covered in this video. Please go through, it will help. This video too answers what are kinetic buildings. So we look at the emerging trends of kinetic buildings, also called kinetic architecture, and explore some of the world's most impressive examples. Video 3. So this is the sliding house in England. Here the client and the architect speak about the concept. It also shows the mechanism adopted and how the roof slides. The references are given here. We can go through these links and get additional information to know more about kinetic architecture. Thank you.